I got Urban Decay PR, y'all. We're about to find out what this is. 24 Glaze on Liquid Eyeshadow. Glaze and glow in a blink. And if y'all know my style, I love glitter. I love the holographic, futuristic kind of look. And I really love things that are super easy to put on. This is what the package looks like on the inside. And let's see, how do we open it? So there we go. And then we got the shades. Let's see what we're working with. So we got I think these are all the shades that are available. We got Sugar Twist, Space Cowboy, Intense, Sunshine Tax, Traffic Jam, Silver Spooning, and Frost Boss. It's supposed to be up to 15 hours of wear. You only have to, it only takes seconds to apply. And it's also crease resistant. Cause y'all see my creases are creases. I felt like I got the short end of the stick when God was handing out eyelids. He ain't have enough to finish my eyelids. So I got these little eyelids that I got to work with. But these are the shadows. So let's swatch them and see. I can't believe I'm swatching makeup. Am I an influencer? What? Hold on. Let's read the instructions. So step 1, you got to make sure lids are clean. So I'll do a full test on my eyelids, but now we're just going to swatch it. So the next step is shake to activate. Step 3, use built-in brush to blend everything evenly across the lid. So now it comes with this little applicator brush. Oh, y'all. Oh, snap. I was not expecting it to be that intense. Across your, let's see, Space Cowboy. Oh, that one's a little bit lighter. It's got like a champagne shade to it. I swatched it right here. We have Sunshine Tax. Oh, this one is color changing, y'all. Check that out. So it's got the pink and the gold. You definitely see both of those shades. Look at that. Let's try Traffic Jam. Ooh, that's like a berry shade. It says Traffic Jam, but it looks like Jam Jam to me. Look at that. Now we're going to try Silver Spooning. This one is like a silver, and it looks like it's supposed to be like a pure silver, but it's got like a little hint of pink to it. Can y'all see that? It's almost like a pinkish undertone to me. Is Frost Boss. All right. Oh my God. This one, y'all, this is the duochrome. So you see both the blue and the lavender. Look at that shade. Oh my goodness, y'all. I am so excited. These are going to be perfect for everybody that's got their Cowboy Carter tickets, everybody that's going to the festivals, anybody that likes to just have a very simple makeup look like me, like that. This is for you. So let's see. We're going to do a little rub to see how it does once it dries down. I put a lot on this one, so you can see it blended out a little bit. So these, I definitely would say that you got to give it a second to dry down, or maybe use a little bit less is definitely more with this. But there we go. So I can't wait to pair these with some outfits. I even got some fun eyeshadow colors that I want to try. So I can't wait to show y'all these looks and show you how easy it is to put it on, because I don't be doing a whole lot when it comes to makeup. So the fact that I got this is perfect. So y'all make sure y'all go and check these out.